Hi, it's Stacy Hervella from Proven Winners ColorChoice Shrubs and the Gardening Simplified radio show, podcast, and YouTube show. And I am here with a brand new plant that is going to completely change the way you think about hydrangeas, and specifically the way you think about smooth hydrangeas, aka Hydrangea arborescens, aka Annabelle hydrangeas. This is Incrediball Storm Proof hydrangea. If you're familiar with Annabelle hydrangea, which has been a garden classic since the 1960s, you know it blooms in summer and the first summer storm that comes along just knocks that thing to the ground. All of its flowers are laying in the soil, and it's not a very pretty landscape plant after that. This new variety was specifically developed for these very, very strong stems that keep these extra large flowers upright and above ground all season long, even after serious storms. And I have proof.
Strong storms swept through West Michigan this morning, leaving a path of damage and tens of thousands without power.
We continue to receive pictures.
So 2 days ago, we had an extremely severe storm here in West Michigan. Tornado sirens were going off because we had 80-mile-an-hour winds coming through. There was hail up to 1 inch in diameter. We had over 2 inches of rain here in West Michigan. And I mean, it was a summer storm. And this plant still looks just like this. It honestly is none the worse for the wear, even after being through one of the toughest storms that we have ever had. You'll also notice that it has big, beautiful, full mop head flowers. But because the mop heads are a little bit more open and still have a large proportion of those nectar-filled fertile florets, it is a pollinator magnet. You can see it's absolutely covered in pollinators right here and looking amazing. Nice clean foliage, nice big flowers. It's a great plant. So if you have been disappointed with other smooth hydrangeas, and particularly with Annabelle hydrangeas, this makes a great replacement. It reaches about 3.5 to 4 feet tall, is hardy all the way down to USDA Zone 3, and heat tolerant through at least USDA Zone 8, and looks amazing all season long. Now this is a very, very new plant, so it's not going to be available at retail probably until about 2026, but it's worth putting on your planting list and asking for at your garden center so they know it's available and can get it in for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our garden content. Thank you.